and welcome back to Pabbly. Now, do you want to create an amazing AI assistant for your e-commerce store that is going to resolve queries of your customers 24/7 and you will create this bot without need of any coding and programming skills? Then yes, you have landed to the right video, because in this video I will show you how you can create this amazing AI assistant using this amazing software that is Pabbly Chatflow, and we will create this AI assistant in just 2 minutes. The creation is super easy, super simple, and anyone can create this amazing bot. Okay, so now this is my AI assistant that I have created. And now as a customer, as a lead or as a client, I will ask a question to this bot. So my first message to this bot is, I need help. Of course, I need help. So I will send this message right over here. Now, as soon as I forwarded this message, instantly I've received this reply. I'm here to help. What do you need assistance with? Okay. So now this is a beauty store. I have a beauty e-commerce store. So I have certain questions related to my brand. So I will ask those questions one by one to this bot, and let's see and challenge whether this bot is replying to all my messages or not. Okay, so my first question right over here is, are your makeup products cruelty free? Okay, so this is my first question to this bot. So what I'll do is I'll send this first question right here. I'm going to wait for the reply. It will take 2-3 seconds for the reply to arrive. Okay, so I'm going to wait right here. Yes, all makeup products of Lushberry, this is the brand name, this is my business name, are 100% cruelty free. We proudly support brands that do not test on animals. Okay, so I have next question, that is, do you sell waterproof mascara? So my next question is simple. So I'll wait for the reply right here. Yes, Lushberry offers section of waterproof mascaras. You can find options that can provide long-lasting wear and smudge resistance. Okay, I have another question, that is, which products are suitable for sensitive skin? I have another question, so I'm going to wait for the reply from this bot. It says we have range of skincare products specifically designed for sensitive skin, gentle cleanser, fragrance-free moisturizers, serums, as well as soothing toners. Okay, I have received the reply. I have one last question left. Okay, so I will ask that last question also. So my next question is, do you offer free shipping? A random question, but okay, I have that question. So I will ask this bot this last question that I have. Yes, Lushberry offers free shipping on orders above 999. For the orders below that amount, a flat delivery charge of 60 applies. If you have any other questions, feel free to ask. You can ask as many questions from this bot right here, and this bot is going to give the reply to all the questions one by one. So this bot is going to work 24/7 in your business, and you can create this bot for your business under 2 minutes duration with this amazing software that is Pabbly Chatflow. On a new tab, what you need to do is browse the website of Pabbly Chatflow, that is www.pabbly.com/chatflow, and you will come to the landing page right here. Now, before we create this amazing AI assistant, I want to talk about Pabbly Community. Now, Pabbly Community is a space where you can find real-time updates on Pabbly. In this space, you can get help not just from our team members, but also the fellow users. Over here, you can ask questions, share feedbacks, and find amazing automation tips for your business. So go ahead and join our Pabbly community today itself. For that, you will find the link of our community in the description section below. Okay, so now on the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow, you will find two options. So if you're a new user, you do not have an account with us, then do not worry. Simply sign up for free from here and get 100 free credits every month to explore more features of Pabbly Chatflow. And if you want to start creating this AI assistant for free, you can definitely create it, as we provide you 100 free credits to explore features. Okay, now as I am already a user of Pabbly Chatflow, I will sign in to my Pabbly Chatflow account, and then you will see the all Pabbly apps section. As I want to use Pabbly Chatflow, I will click on the Access Now button under it, and you will land towards the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, what is Pabbly Chatflow? It is a tool using which businesses can easily and efficiently manage their WhatsApp conversations without need of any coding and programming skills. You have to add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. For that, simply click on this Add WhatsApp Number button, where you will find two options to add your number, that is WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. By any of the method, you can add your number, and if you want to learn how you can add your number by any of the methods, you will find both the tutorial links in the description section. Add your WhatsApp number over here and start managing your WhatsApp conversation. Now, Pabbly Chatflow also provides with multiple features. You can see inbox, contacts, team queues, templates, broadcast flows, AI assistant, activity logs, settings, under which you will find multiple options. Now, if you want to learn about each and every feature of Pabbly Chatflow in brief, we have created all the videos and the links are added in the description section. Okay? Now, to create an AI assistant, simply go towards this AI assistant section right here. After coming to AI assistant page, click on this add button, and firstly we have to name our AI assistant. So now for the name of my AI assistant, I will give it as build 24/7 WhatsApp AI assistant for my online store. Okay, so this is the name of my assistant. You can name it according to your requirement. After naming, the assistant is created, and we have to fill in certain sections in order to create this simple AI assistant. First section is AI instructions, under which instruction type I will select it as AI agent. You can select the other instruction type according to your requirement as well. Instructions, you need to add the roles and responsibilities of this AI assistant. You can simply do that. And you have to enter the roles and responsibilities of this AI assistant. You can also modify it by adding more points or erasing any of the points according to your business requirements. Next is AI configuration, under which first is temperature. Temperature is a range between 0 and 1, 0 being more focused replies, 1 being very creative replies from this bot towards the customer, lead or client. Okay, I will select my temperature over here as 0.5 as I want both focused and creative replies. Okay, AI to use, I will use OpenAI. For the model, I will use GPT-4 Mini. You can select the model. To have the API key, we have to have an OpenAI account. Now remember to have an OpenAI paid account. You should have a paid account in order to create this AI assistant using Pabbly Chatflow. And then you can create this amazing WhatsApp chatbot, the AI bot, and use it for your business. Okay, to have the key, log into this API key section from this hyperlink in the help desk, and you will land towards the API key section of OpenAI. Click on this create button. Firstly, you have to name our key. For the name of the key over here, I'm going to give it as dummy key. Project, I will select default. Permissions, give all the permissions, and click on this create button, and automatically the key is generated. Copy it from here, paste over here in the field, and click on this connect button. Okay, now it will say OpenAI key saved successfully, key is connected. Next is AI assistant settings. If you want header and footer message with this initial message, you can toggle the button on and enter the header and the footer message right here. Stop keywords, I will toggle this button on. So let's suppose the lead, customer or client wants to stop the help from this AI assistant. They can simply send certain keywords that is going to stop. So my first keyword is stop. I will enter it and press the enter key. In the similar manner, you can enter as many stop keywords according to your requirement right here. Retry attempt, if you want that, toggle the button on. Next is fallback message. This message is only going to be forwarded when the API key is not responding. Okay, so in that case only this AI assistant is going to send the fallback message. You can change it according to your requirement as well. Next is knowledge source. Knowledge source is a super important part of this AI assistant. Over here I've created this knowledge base, and this is the base using which this AI is going to know what is my business, what's this about the products, about the policies and everything. In this knowledge base I have entered very detailed description of what my business is. You can see I've created this very big knowledge base of almost 20 pages. You can see 21 pages, and you have to create your own business knowledge base, and it can be of any length. Okay, if you're creating a PDF file, it can be of any length, but if you're adding images, remember 10 pages is the maximum limit with the image. Okay, so I've created this knowledge base in which I've mentioned what my business is, vision, mission, product categories. You can see I've entered everything. So you have to create a knowledge base like this for your business as well. To upload this in this AI assistant, click on this button right here. Over here, this is my knowledge base. I'm going to open it. You can enter two types of file, TXT and PDF. And as I've already told you, with the image, maximum page limit of PDF is 10. Okay, I've added the knowledge base under knowledge source. You can see the file is added. If you've received the vector ID, that means the file is uploaded. Okay, next is assistant interface. Assistant interface and styling are the two sections which is required if you're adding this AI assistant on your website. Okay, so on your website you will see a logo like this, and on the logo you will see the setup like this. If you want to change the name of your brand right here, my business name is what Lushberry. So what I'm going to do is I will enter my brand name as Lushberry. You can see it is updated. If you want to change this heading line, you can change it from here. If you want to add another initial message or add your own, simply you can add one more right here, or you can edit this as well. If you want this powered by Pabbly to be enabled or disabled, selected according to your requirement. If you want this footer, text, link, anything like that, you can enter the text as well as the link right here. So let's suppose user has forwarded a message not through this AI assistant but simply. Okay, so what will be the user's initial first message? You can enter it right here. I have selected as I need help. Okay, styling, if you want to change the theme, color, picture, background, shape, you can do everything through the styling section. I do not want that, so I'm going to skip other details. Okay, the AI assistant is created. This is how simple it is to create the AI assistant. Okay, now simply to activate this AI assistant, toggle the button on and save the AI assistant from here, and the AI assistant has now been successfully added. Now if you want to add this AI assistant on your website page, simply go to embedded. Over here you will find the script, copy the script from here, add it on your website code, and the AI assistant is going to be added there as well. Okay, so now as this AI assistant is created, I will ask further questions to this AI assistant on my WhatsApp again. Okay, so let me open my WhatsApp. So this is my WhatsApp, and my first message is I need help. So I will send this message right here to this bot. As soon as I've forwarded the message, I will wait for the reply. It says I'm here to help. What do you need assistance with? So my first question over here is, do you provide warranty? My first question, I will ask this question to this bot. I will wait for the reply over here again. It says yes. Lushberry ensures that all listed products are genuine and come with a brand authenticity guarantee. If you have any concerns about product authenticity and quality, you can contact a support team for verification. My next question is, how can I cancel my order before shipment? So let me ask this question. I will wait for the reply from this bot right here. To cancel our product before shipment, please share your order ID with us through WhatsApp. If your order has been shipped yet, we'll process the cancellation immediately and initiate your refund. Okay. Now I have another question, that is, can I return a used product? So I have this question. I will ask this question. I will wait for the reply from this bot. I have received no. Used products or open products cannot be returned due to hygiene reasons unless they are defected and damaged upon arrival. If you have any specific issue with the product, please let me know. I have one last question left, that is, how long will it take for my order to arrive? I have this last question. I will wait for the reply from this AI assistant to send me a message back to this question. So let's wait, and in front of you, you can see the AI assistant has replied. Delivery times vary by location, but typically orders are delivered within 2 to 5 working days. You will also receive a tracking link via WhatsApp and email once your order is shipped. Okay? So you can see right over here, automatically this AI assistant is replying to all the queries that I have. Now as this AI assistant is created, so congratulations, you have created this amazing AI assistant with me right now in this video. Now you will automate your WhatsApp conversations and query resolving in your business without need of any coding and programming skills. And 24/7 your queries will be resolved with this amazing WhatsApp chatbot. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead and create this amazing AI assistant today itself and automate your WhatsApp conversations without you lifting up your finger. Now, if you have any questions or doubts related to this amazing AI assistant, you can ask us all the questions in the comment section below and we will reply to you. And yes, one more very important point that I just almost forgot to tell you. I just want to tell you one thing, that if you want this AI assistant to be automatically assigned to the customers who is sending you WhatsApp queries and messages, simply what you can do is simply go towards settings section and inbox settings section right here. Okay, after coming to inbox settings, scroll down and in the end you will see AI auto reply settings. I will toggle and enable this AI auto reply settings button on right over here, as this setting is going to enable automatically assigning this AI assistant to the leads or queries who have directly forwarded a WhatsApp message over here. Okay, You can create multiple contact lists under Pabbly Chatflow and assign this AI assistant automatically to a specific category. I will apply this AI assistant enable over here to all my contacts. I will select all contact right here. And you can also select the AI assistant from the drop down. This is my AI assistant. I will select it and save it from here. Now, whenever any of the leads, clients or customers sends a query on WhatsApp, automatically this AI assistant is going to be enabled on their chat. Okay. So now if you want to assign this AI assistant to one specific contact at a time, in that case what you can do is simply go towards the inbox section right over here. In the inbox section, select any chat. Let me select this chat right over here. And you can see under the contact says choose AI assistant, toggle this button on and select the AI assistant from the drop down that you want to assign to this contact and click on the save button, and automatically you can see the AI assistant has been assigned to this contact. Okay. So now this is how you create this amazing AI assistant and assign it to your chat leads or clients at a time. Okay. So as now this AI assistant has been created, this is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Not only this WhatsApp chatbot, you can create multiple other bots using Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any questions, you can email us on support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can send us queries on forum.pabbly.com. If you have any Pabbly Chatflow pricing related issue, you can check out this link. If you like this video, please do subscribe to our channel, comment down below if you have any questions, and please do share this video.